And see how they all have a blue outline around them? And now we're just going to drag, we're going to go to here, and again, we're going to hold down, we're going to drag it inside, and the loop will get bigger to accommodate.
Well, we're very excited because obviously the interaction and the engagement for our students truly motivates them to want to be connected with technology. And this is one of those opportunities that allows us to have the technology truly be transparent rather than now we're going to do technology separate from what we're doing. Learning occurs in all phases, and this allows us to have a real world example of a diverse set of instructional delivery while they're having fun too. STEM isn't just though about career pathways. If we think about the word E or the letter E from STEM in terms of engineering rather than as a career path, more of a verb, to engineer, to invent, to create, to problem solve. So what happens with that is regardless of what choices our students make, that creativity and engineering can be a part of every career pathway, whether it's in the automobile industry, whether it's in banking, whether it's in medicine, and we have not been able to provide our students those types of broad opportunities, and this is one of those that allows our kids to really delve into it. Well, we're just very thankful and grateful for this opportunity, and we hope to expand more and more of these for many of our students.